Ever wondered how common health issues can be tackled using natural remedies? In a world where health concerns are escalating at an alarming rate, the power of nature emerges as a beacon of hope. Imagine if we could harness this power, not from rare exotic plants from distant lands, but from everyday ingredients that sit in our kitchen cabinets. Enter olive oil, lemon and honey. 3 simple yet potent ingredients, each boasting a plethora of health benefits. Olive oil, a treasure trove of antioxidants. Lemon, a vibrant source of vitamin C. Honey, a natural sweetener with antibacterial properties. Together they form a triumvirate of health-boosting powerhouses, ready to combat a range of ailments from the common cold to chronic inflammation. As we journey through this video, we'll delve deeper into the individual benefits of these ingredients and the magical synergy they create when combined. So, buckle up and join us as we dive into the amazing world of these 3 natural powerhouses. Olive oil, a liquid gold with numerous health benefits. Now, that's not just a fancy statement. Olive oil truly is a treasure trove of healthful goodness, and here's why. Let's start with the heart, the engine of our bodies. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, notably oleic acid. These fats are heart-friendly. They help lower bad cholesterol levels while increasing the good kind. This aids in reducing the risk of heart disease, making olive oil a heart-healthy choice for your meals. But it doesn't stop there. Olive oil is also a powerhouse of antioxidants. These little warriors fight off harmful free radicals in our bodies, protecting us from chronic diseases and premature aging. Antioxidants like oleuropein and hydroxytyrosol, found abundantly in olive oil, are the unsung heroes maintaining our overall health and vitality. Now let's talk about skin and hair, our body's crowning glory. Olive oil is a natural moisturizer, packed with vitamin E and A. It helps keep our skin supple, fights off signs of aging, and promotes hair health. Whether you're adding a dash to your salad or applying it directly to your skin and hair, olive oil works its magic both inside and out. Next up, digestion. Olive oil aids in the digestion process, making it smoother and more efficient. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes and helps in nutrient absorption. So not only does your food taste better with a drizzle of olive oil, but your body also thanks you for it. Lastly, olive oil has a role in boosting metabolism. It has been found to aid in weight loss and maintaining a healthy weight. This is especially important in today's fast-paced world, where maintaining a balanced diet can often be challenging. Clearly, olive oil is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a versatile elixir that delivers a multitude of health benefits, making it a worthy addition to our daily routines. So the next time you reach for that bottle of olive oil, remember, you're not just adding flavor to your meals, but also a dose of wellness to your life. Lemon, a tiny fruit with mighty powers. It's a common sight in our kitchen, often taken for granted. But did you know that this humble citrus is a powerhouse of health benefits? Let's start with the basics. Lemons are exceptionally rich in vitamin C. Just 1 lemon provides about 50% of your daily vitamin C requirement. This essential nutrient is a potent antioxidant, helping to protect your cells from harmful free radicals. It also plays a vital role in maintaining your immune health, keeping you strong and resilient against infections. But that's not all. Lemons are also known for their digestive benefits. Ever wondered why lemon-infused water is a popular morning ritual? It's because lemon juice's acidic nature aids digestion and helps cleanse the system. It encourages the production of bile in your liver, which is necessary for digestion and promotes better nutrient absorption. Now let's talk about weight loss. Lemons could be your new best friend if you're on a fitness journey. They contain a soluble fiber called pectin that gives you a feeling of fullness and helps control hunger pangs. Plus, the citric acid in lemons aids in burning fat. So, a glass of warm water with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice might be the perfect way to kickstart your day. And let's not forget about skin health. The vitamin C in lemons promotes collagen production, which is key for maintaining skin elasticity and preventing wrinkles. Lemon juice also has astringent qualities, helping to reduce acne and other skin disorders. In the grand scheme of things, the lemon is more than just a flavor-enhancing fruit. It's a versatile, health-promoting gem that deserves more than a corner in your fruit bowl. So next time you see a lemon, remember it's not just a sour fruit. It's a tiny powerhouse filled with nature's best ingredients for your health. Lemon, indeed a magical ingredient. Honey, nature's sweet nectar with a wealth of health benefits. This liquid gold has been revered for centuries. not just for its delightful sweetness, but also for its numerous health-boosting properties. Dive into the world of honey and you'll find it brimming with antibacterial and antifungal properties. Thanks to these, honey has long been used in traditional medicine as a natural remedy for wounds and burns. The secret behind this? An enzyme that bees add to the nectar, which produces hydrogen peroxide, a well-known disinfectant. But honey's benefits go beyond surface-level healing. It's also a champion for your internal health. The next time a pesky cough or a sore throat is keeping you up at night, consider reaching for a spoonful of honey. It's known to soothe the throat and reduce cough frequency and severity. In fact, it's often compared to over-the-counter medicines in its effectiveness. And speaking of sleep, honey might just be the sleep aid you've been searching for. It helps to fuel your liver with glycogen, a compound needed for essential overnight bodily functions. This can enhance the quality of your sleep, making you wake up fresher and more rejuvenated. In a world where sugar is often demonized, honey shines as a healthier alternative. It's sweeter than sugar, so you can use less of it. Plus, it's a source of antioxidants which help to protect your body from cell damage due to free radicals. And let's not forget about honey's benefits for the skin. It's a natural moisturizer that can give your skin a healthy glow. It's often used in homemade face masks, providing hydration and fighting off acne with its antibacterial properties. So whether you're stirring it into your tea, slathering it on your toast, or applying it to your skin, honey is more than just a sweet treat. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, wrapped up in a delicious golden package. Honey, truly a wonder of nature. When olive oil, lemon, and honey join forces, they create a symphony of health benefits. These three gifts of nature, each with their unique strengths, play together in harmony, offering a daily dose of wellness in a single cup. Imagine a morning routine that not only awakens your senses, but also kickstarts your body into a day of balanced health and vitality. This is the trio's symphony, their combined performance that aims to elevate your health to a whole new level. Each ingredient has its solo, but when combined, they form an ensemble that is far greater than the sum of its parts. Olive oil, a star in its right, brings its richness in monounsaturated fats, known for promoting heart health and controlling blood sugar levels. Then enters lemon, the citrus king, armed with vitamin C and antioxidants. It detoxifies, aids in digestion, and boosts the immune system, making you a fortress against common illnesses. The final note in this symphony is the sweet, soothing honey. Not just a natural sweetener, but a powerhouse of antioxidants and antibacterial properties. It promotes skin and hair health, making you glow from inside and out. This potent mixture works wonders for digestion. It's like a morning jog for your digestive system, setting the pace for a day of smooth functioning. The lemon and honey duo acts as a gentle detoxifier, while olive oil ensures smooth passage, easing digestion. In terms of immunity, imagine this mixture as your personal guard, ready to shield and fight. Lemon and honey, both rich in antioxidants and antibacterial properties, boost your immune system. Olive oil, with its anti-inflammatory properties, adds another layer of protection. And let's not forget the beauty benefits. This mixture is a secret recipe for glowing skin and lustrous hair. Honey moisturizes and heals, olive oil nourishes, and lemon brightens. Together, they ensure you look as healthy as you feel. A simple mixture, a multitude of benefits. The symphony of olive oil, lemon, and honey is not just a melody to your taste buds, but a harmonious ode to your health. Experience the trio's symphony every day and embrace a lifestyle of balanced well-being. A natural remedy right at your fingertips. This potent mixture of olive oil, lemon, and honey is more than just a delicious concoction. It's a powerhouse of health benefits that can easily be integrated into your daily routine. Remember, olive oil is a rich source of healthy fats and antioxidants that boost heart health and fight inflammation. Lemon, brimming with vitamin C and other nutrients, aids digestion, enhances skin health, and bolsters your immune system. Honey, a natural sweetener, is packed with antioxidants, and it also helps soothe coughs and improve sleep. Now imagine all these benefits in one simple mixture. It's easy to prepare and consume, making it a practical addition to your wellness routine. Just a spoonful each morning can help you tap into these incredible health benefits. So don't wait. Start your journey towards better health today. Experience the astonishing health benefits of this simple yet powerful mixture. Your body will thank you.